morning. Esta frase maestra simple, more 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 simple. Heavy, that's never not, that's never inch. It's Jana 12, 2024 Wednesday. Today, I would like to remember it's 10 years since the death of the legendary Jimmy Scott. In Naples, totally clear. Today seems totally clear. It's kind of atmosphere in general, and it also seems very still not at the moment. It's late morning, practically 11 in 15 minutes. 88 and 6 Fahrenheit, 27 Celsius, and this means that this is really soft, like nisipid, and then it's practically a summer atmosphere. Of course, we are really close to it very few days, and as for the winter, which is also just cold, circa senza presto vedere forse per sicuro, ma sarà nothing ancora cosa non vorrei facciamo via sotto, I suppose, that I'm sure, but where is this thing for the same, also in this case, for the spring and the autumn, and since the rest of the reports for sicuro, but in this case, mettersi al most 3 years ago, I use always the adjective, in fact, soft, also the classic adjective, and so as regarding the English, at least for me, always something to significate with absolutely compliment. Understand being in spring period, in fact, atmosphere at this point is a case of the normality, the temperature is a case of the normality, extended but atmosphere in good way, I can see the same things as I just before, for the case because it's really beautiful, at just the times. In fact, not beautiful, as I'm feeling on this. Afternoon, practically 45 minutes. I think it's a temperature so different. This a better one. It will be 2-3 days more. I repeat the moment it's 88 and 6 Fahrenheit, 27 Celsius. But the really important thing is the atmosphere is anticipated. So before today, beautiful. Also near my head, beautiful blue skies and nice sun. Also near my head, and considering the bill and considering the European for the day, from now for rather 8 hours in there for summer comparison with the computer refresh rule. Is beautiful, natural place, and also suggesting the naso che non so come si chiama Pix, and this place interesting in the system just forse non bisogna so much for me at the end of the episode in this night version at the end since I'm not at the end of episode 14 double play while the light version since the episode 15 slaves and masters, and these are the main peaks of these combine and use always in the kind of weather reports, and however also readings with numerous in fact watch numerous my hour last May 5 2022 can't watch with numerous speaking myself and also in the video also però plus dat er persons wat agus passende og passende röra. Aí min die minha tarefa queria distribuir em episódios play by Tel Rimo e non Boris se mi rimi su la carattere Rasti Domaschi e Jörnbrings. E va, questi mondo pipa, quello che c'è di borsa, a silencio di motore, su una brand system, passo uno scherzo, and finally I open you and get breakfast. Today it's yearly. Тому importato si fa fanno da Yachi, a sembrando diritto esterno in focus breakfast, fontane su cambiato. All'estate del vita, ti fiantan sul negligio, si mette solo di fare vita, restaurant 11, 52 minutes. But the really important thing that you should always remember that in some way, also the way, fortunately, it is all memory young. Also,